Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your crypto work harder for you, staking is a fantastic option. In this video, we'll walk you through how to stake crypto on Coinbase in 2025, step by step. It's easier than ever with the latest updates, and by the end, you'll be earning rewards like a pro. First off, what's staking? Simply put, staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to help secure a blockchain network, and in return, you earn interest or rewards. It's like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but for crypto. Now, let's get into the steps. Before you start, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and verified. If you don't, head to the Coinbase website or app and create one. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, step 1. Navigate to the Earn or Staking section in your dashboard. By 2025, Coinbase has made this even more user-friendly with enhanced search features. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Popular options include Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano. Check which ones are available and their current staking rates. Step 3. Review the details. You'll see the potential rewards, lock-up period, and any fees involved. Always double-check to avoid surprises. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to stake. Start small if you're new, say, a fraction of your holdings, to test the waters. Step 5. Confirm your stake. You'll get a summary screen. Read it carefully and hit confirm. Once done, your assets will be locked, and rewards will start accruing over time. A quick heads up, staking isn't risk-free. Crypto prices can fluctuate, and there's always the chance of network issues, so only stake what you can afford to hold. By 2025, Coinbase offers better tools for tracking your stakes, so keep an eye on your portfolio. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and happy staking.